Day to you.
Ready?
Let's get a present.
Why don't you open your present?
A present? I think it is. Present. Oh, open the present. I think it is. I think it's Flynn the Fire Engine.
It's Flynn the Fire Engine?
It's taller than these so 10.
Do you want to get it out of the package?
Look, you help with me.
Yeah, but you want to see something? It talks.
Stay back! Stay calm! Fiery Flynn to the rescue!
You want to get it out?
Let's get it out.
We'll get it out. We'll get it out for Gregory.
Let's get it out.
You want to hold this? This is the little paper. I'm not doing a very good job. Okay, here it comes.
Flynn the Fire Engine.
Can we get it out?
Let's get it.
Gregory!
This sounds that's a Flynn the Fire Engine.
Now, if you want to make it talk, you push the ladder. Can you push the ladder? Push it. Push it. This. No, AJ. Push it.
I'm Sonor's firefighter.
You push it right here. AJ, this is Gregory's
Race on
birthday.
the rails.
Why don't you go try it out next to Belle?